On the morning of the 27th of July 2012, Kenya awoke to the unprecedented killing of a foreign ambassador on her soil. The then Venezuelan ambassador to Kenya, Olga Fonseca Jimenez, was found murdered in her official residence in Runda Estate, Nairobi. The embassy's then First Secretary, Dwight Sagare Govold, was soon arraigned before Mishemi jail on the 6th of August 2012 to take plea on a charge of murder. On 26th of November 2012, Ahmed Mujiban Omido, Alex Sifuma Wanyonyi, and Moses Kiprotich Kalia were arraigned alongside Dwight Sagare before Justice Ombija to plead to the same charges. The 4 accused persons were then charged alongside one Ahmed Mohammed Hassan, who remained at large. On the 2nd of May 2013, Kipngeno Kirui Chelogoi was arraigned in court for the same charge. The prosecution made an application on the 9th of May 2013 to consolidate the 2 cases. Subsequently, on the 25th of June 2013, the prosecution entered a nolle prosequi against the then second accused, Ahmed Mohammed Hassan. A new information was then filed with Dwight Sagare Old, Ahmed Mujibane Omido, Alex Sifuma Wanyonyi, Moses Kiprotich Kalia, and Keno Kirui Chelogoi listed as the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th accused respectively. The particulars of the charge from the amended information were that on the night of the 26th and 27th of July 2012, at the Venezuelan embassy residence in Runda Estate within Nairobi County, jointly murdered Olga Fonseca Jimenez. All the accused persons pleaded not guilty, and the matter has proceeded to full trial. The pathologist, Dr. Odur, in the postmortem report, confirmed that the deceased had been killed by manual strangulation when the ligature tied afterwards. There can be no other conclusion than that whoever strangled the deceased had malice aforethought. The person who strangled her was executing the malicious intent of the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th accused. The aftermath of the deceased's demise was characterized by a deceitful expedition where Mohammed tried to lure the embassy drivers to illegally remove the official car from the residence, telling them that the lady ambassador had left the country the previous night. He is also said to have been in possession of the car keys for the official cars, yet this had earlier on been handed over to the deceased. It is my view from the above facts that the accused had the necessary malice aforethought and had the intention. The manner in which the deceased was killed and the subsequent ploy to make it look like she had committed suicide all connote malice aforethought. It is clear that there was a principal player, Mohammed, who is a suspect at large. Turning to the 5th, it is my finding, therefore, that the case squarely falls within the provisions of Section 206 of the Penal Code. Turning to the 5th accused, as already stated, there was no evidence demonstrating any motive or malice from him, and nothing linking him to the murder of the deceased, save for the deceased mobile phone, which was in his possession, and as I have already found, was adequately explained. This judgment would not be complete without considering the glaring omission of the state to present one Mohammed Ahmed Mohammed Hassan. This court believes that Mohammed Ahmed Mohammed Hassan, the suspect at large, was a well-connected individual. This is because no ordinary person would, without authority, find their way into a foreign state's embassy and overrun it. That Mohammed was either an influential person or was connected to influential persons. A look at the testimony of number 230945, Inspector Boniface Mbele, PW20, who was dispatched to arrest Mohammed, was quite telling. PW20 actually told the court that he visited the home of Mohammed's parents and found a young man whom he thought was Mohammed's brother. He made no effort to confirm whether or not the individual was Mohammed. The fact that Mohammed has not been arrested years later shows that there was lackluster or no effort at all on the part of the investigators to find and arrest him to face the charge of murder. To date, the warrants of arrest against Mohammed Ahmed Mohammed Hassan remain unexecuted. Justice demands that the said suspect at large be traced, arrested, and charged. To this end, this court directs the Deputy Registrar of the Court to certify this judgment to the Director of Public Prosecutions for action. In the final analysis, I am satisfied that Sagarei Kobol, first accused, Ahmed Mujibane Omido, second accused, Alex Sifuma Wanyonyi, third accused, and Moses Kiprotich Kalia, fourth accused, guilty of the offense of murder, contrary to section 243 of the Penal Code. Each of them is convicted accordingly. I find that the prosecution has not proved the charge against Kipngeno Kirui Chelogoi, the fifth accused, to the required legal standard. I give him the benefit of doubt. He is thus acquitted under section 215 of the Criminal Procedure Code.